Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and this video is about my announcement doing a ride from Mangalore to Ambi Valley and back, and this ride I'm calling Reclaiming Myself. So disclaimer, if you think this video is going to be a lot of excitement like my other videos and high energy, let me tell you, people who are interested to know me better and a little bit about myself, what had happened to me earlier this year, especially my medical condition and all of it, stay along. That's why this ride is called Reclaiming Myself. So with this ride, I want to reclaim myself, come back and say, here I am again doing what I do the best, and also probably rediscover myself, because in the last couple of months I was kind of lost and I was mentally and physically taken aback. So I'm going to talk a lot about that, and I'm trying to keep this as short as possible, and also want to thank a couple of brands as well as a couple of my YouTube friends who have been a part of my journey all the time. So I would want to also thank them. So the 4th and the 5th of December, IBW is going to happen at Ambi Valley, and I am going to ride all the way from Mangalore to Ambi Valley and come back. That's the plan. So the ride is going to be around 1800 kilometers roundabout, and I will also have a couple of my friends joining me, hopefully. So Jobo, who had joined me in the Northeast ride, probably he'll be a part of this ride, and a couple of other friends. This ride is very emotional to me. That's why I have named this ride as Reclaiming Myself. Early this year, I was badly taken aback with my medical condition. A lot of people who are very close to me know what had happened to me, and because of which I was devastated. I was mentally upset and physically very weak, and that's why you've seen all the changes which has gone into me. So yeah, I don't want to make this video depressing, but then yes, so that is what had happened. And with this ride coming in, so I want to really see if I'm back to the kind of physical condition I was earlier, and I want to up my game mentally as well. And that's why I want to ride and kind of do this ride and also rediscover myself. So somewhere in between, I had lost myself, and a lot of things happened, and it's been a complete turmoil in the last 8 months. But then hopefully I'm back with a bang now. So that's where this ride announcement comes into place. So I want to thank a couple of people who have been a part of this entire my YouTube journey, who have supported me, helped me, been my back all the time. And one of that biggest support has come from my family, my mother, my brother, my sister-in-law, my wife especially. She's been absolutely supportive, my daughter, and all my well-wishers. So that has been a huge support, without which I could not have continued doing what I do. So talking about this ride, I want to thank a couple of them. So that's why I've written them down also, so that I don't want to forget any of these. So I want to start with the Honda Big Wing Mangalore. So Honda Big Wing Mangalore are my official ride. So they are giving me the motorcycle, the Honda Highness 350. So I will be riding that motorcycle for this ride. And another big thanks to BMC Air Filter, who have made this ride possible. So they are powering me up with this ride. So they basically are helping me with fuel and all of it, and big shout out to BMC Air Filters India for supporting me. And the next brand I would want to thank is GoPro. Special thanks to GoPro India for coming on board and making this a memorable ride. So they are going to help me capture all the memories that I will probably capture throughout my journey now, and that's going to be very crucial for me. I so want to kind of capture every moment which I gonna go through in this journey. So GoPro, huge shout out to you guys. And then of course my riding gear partners. I mean, Solace has always been my riding gear, and I have so many other riding gears, but then special place for me I have Solace is because they've always supported me, and there's nobody's paying anything for this ride, but then in the past, they've worked very closely with me. I've done a lot of testing for them in the past as well. So I will be riding with Solace Riding gear. So huge shout out to Solace as well. And then Rynox has come on board as a luggage partner. So already have a couple of stuff from Rynox. I have the tank bag, Magnapod tank bag from Rynox, and also I have the saddlebag from Rynox. So I will be using them. So thank you Rynox for being supportive. And then Orion Motors. So Orion Motors has been a huge support for me from day one again. So huge shout out to them as well. Thank you for being a part of my riding career and also helping me. And then Action Cam. So again, Action Cam was the first brand or the company who had come forward to me and given me a action camera or empowered me to kind of shoot what I shot earlier when I started. And otherwise also they've supported me throughout. So all the mounts that I use on my helmets are from Action Cam. So huge shout out to Action Cam as well. So thank you so much for being a part of this. And now I'm done with brands. So I want to thank few YouTubers and my friends as well, especially who have been a part of my journey. So with no particular order, I'm going to start with Mangalore. So huge shout out to Sachin Shutterbox Film. Thank you very much Dani. Your support itne bari khushi atanda. Your support mandarenka, which is I think one of the best thing. And when I had called him for a collab, he didn't even think twice. All he said was yes, let's do it. So I'm mentioning this is because a lot of people in the past when I contacted, they didn't even bother to revert back. So yeah. Then a huge shout out to Stereo Cat Vlogs, which is Prem Bhai. Thank you Prem Bhai. Again, your support means a lot. So you guys, especially both Sachin and Prem, both of you have been of extreme support to me, and thank you very much for the support. Moving on to next is Deepu, DV in Kannada. I don't need to explain about this person. I mean, he's a caliber of his own. So thank you Deepu for your support. He had come to Mangalore last week and we had lots of fun. So thank you Deepu. Thanks a lot for your support. And then I have another person who does Tamil vlogging YouTube channel, which is called Royal Road 500. Aravind is the person. Thank you Aravind so much for your support all throughout. So thank you very much. And then I have Bulu Biker. Again, needs no introduction. He is very well known in the circle. So Bulu Bhai, thank you very much for your support. So again, all these people have been extremely supportive to me, and that's why I really needed to thank them. It goes without saying, I am a well-wisher for you as well all the time. And at any point of time, if I can be of any help, you have my number. Feel free to call me. Apart from that, in the last couple of months, I've been able to manage a small community to, kind of create a small community in Mangalore also. So thank you each and everyone who have been a part of this community and supporting me. Everybody, could it be Zero Gravity, could be it Grease Garage, and all the members who have met me during that, and also Black Fox group. All of them, you guys have been extremely supportive. So with that, I want to end this video. Like I mentioned, this was an announcement of my ride, the big ride which I've planned, which was pending long time. I want to reclaim myself. I need all your wishes. And with this, I come to an end of this video. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to know more about me. Stay in touch with me on regular basis. And having said that, I'm going to say bye for now. Please stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't. And until the next video, keep it rolling. Bye-bye.